In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate GitHub to find and share your repositories. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, knowing how to manage and share your code repositories is an essential skill. So let's dive right in and demystify this process together. First, let's begin by getting to GitHub. The simplest way to do this is to open your preferred web browser and type in GitHub in the search bar, or just enter the URL directly if you know it. Once you're on the GitHub homepage, you'll need to log in with your credentials if you haven't done so yet. GitHub is where millions of developers gather to share code, collaborate on projects, and discover new opportunities in their field. It's like a central hub for code bases, making it invaluable in today's digital landscape. Once you're logged in, head over to your profile. You'll typically find it on the upper right corner of the page. Your profile icon should be easy to spot. Clicking on it will bring up a drop-down menu from which you simply select Your Repositories. This option is your gateway to viewing all the projects you have previously created or contributed to on GitHub. Inside the Repositories section, you'll find a list of all your current repositories, both public and private. This is where you manage all your code projects. Repositories, often just called repos, are essentially containers where your project files and information reside. Now, when you want to share a repo with friends, teammates, or your growing network, you need to start by finding the specific repository you'd like to share. Click on the repository that catches your interest. Once inside, focus on the Code button located near the top of your repository page. The Code button is quite important. It holds the key to sharing your repository. By clicking it, you reveal a drop-down menu with several options for cloning or downloading your repository. What you're looking for is the repository link at the top of this dropdown. It's a simple URL but serves a powerful purpose. Copy this URL. This link is what you'll provide to others so they can view or collaborate on your project if it's a public repository. And just like that, you're done. The process is seamless, allowing you to share your work and invite collaboration from peers or open source it to the world. Sharing code shows your willingness to be part of the larger coding community, encourages feedback, and fosters growth. To recap, getting familiar with GitHub and knowing how to manage and share repositories can be a game changer. It opens up opportunities to learn, collaborate, and innovate. So go ahead, share those links, and start making connections that could lead to your next big project. That's it for today's tutorial. Happy coding, and until next time.